Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In previous video we learned about compare command and now we will learn about AND logic and OR logic in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss other one upcoming video from Parveenautomations. So without waste any time, let's start. I will open my WinProLadder software and simply we will start from here. M0 I will take one internal memory bit and one I will take output M500. This you can easily understand if you download this program, for example, to the PLC. See, if I make it on this one and simply our M500 will be on. And logic what says in, for example, I stop this one and stop this PLC. And AND logic how works? For example, I will put it one here, another internal relay. M2 for example I will put here. Oh, sorry, not here. Here. I put here M2 and make it download to the PLC. And see, for example, I will make it on from M0, but my M500 will be not on. Because of why? I am using the AND logic. M0 and M2 when is on, after my M500 needs to be on. If one of them not on, for example, this is for example I make it off M2, this will be not on. Any other more also I can put inside the PLC. This is goes to the stop PLC first, and for example I need one more relay here, M3 for example. M3 I put in series and I say when M0, M2 and M3 is on, after my M500 needs to be on. See, if I make it on M2, this will be not on. M3 I will make it on, this will be not on. As I give the signal to M0, after our M500 will be on. This function will be called AND logic. M2, M0 and M2 and M3 if is energized, after our M500 needs to be on. Otherwise, if one of them not on, our output will be not energized. This called AND logic. So how to use the OR logic? That simply, see, I will make it first stop the PLC and again I will take one contact here, M3, M3 and that's I will remove, and M3, M4 and here I will make this one link to this internal system, and I say if M0, this I will take M4, this one I will take close contact, no problem. Close contact, and this one also I will take close contact, and this I will download to the PLC and simply see, I say when my M0 is on, M0 on, or M3 on, M0 on, or this off, or M3 on, my M500 needs to be turned on. This one or this one, which one if on, after M500 needs to be on. This program look like more, you can also add stop PLC. See, one more example I will show you. For example, I will put it one more here, M5 for example. M5 I will put, and I make this one link it to the this in ladder, and I download to the PLC. See, I say if my M0 is on, M0 is on, I need my M500 needs to be on. Or if this not on, if this is on, I need to make this one on. This will be on from here also. If this will not on, or this M5 is on, also my M500 needs to be on. This way you can many of relays, you can put it here link M0, M3, M5, M6, M7, M10, 20, 30, how much you like to be link, and this one or this one or this one or this one is any in high condition or on any language you can say. M3 is on if your need to be on. M5 if on, it's need to be on. See, any of three, one bit if is high, if M0 on, needs to be M500. So this function called OR logic. This function can be used in also two-way switches, three-way switches. For example, somewhere have in building construction systems have too many wirings have to be make. If you make it one system at the downside and you make it small program and make it the output, and only your switching scheme down give from the main control, one is on, after your light will be needs to be on, or anything which you like to be turned on from where, or in program when you like to designing inside. For example, this some signals coming from outside of the field, one motor is you are running, and you say when this signal is have, my motor needs to be done, or this signal if coming also need to be on, or this signal M5 need to be coming, this motor needs to be on. These signals also you can use for X0, X1, X2, X3, X4. This can be used in the program. Also, easily you can make practice for this. For example, this M3 is write it here. For example, M3 in logic, how to design logic can be designed M3, and this will make it be M0, total W, and this one same like if you make it M3 on, your M500 needs to be on. Otherwise, if you or now this, if you make it on, your that time 500 will be closed, and if you need to this must be first off this one, after your M500 will be on. Simply you can make practice in the program, open and make how we can use that close contacts and how we can use the open contacts. This way you can make it easy your program in any type of logic. So I hope you understand about this control, how we can make AND logic and how we can make OR logic. If not understand anything, you can send me a message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.